Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future deep dives into the world of AI and YouTube. We've got some really cool stuff lined up. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube's success in the age of AI? We're about to take you on a journey through some of the most profitable niches where creators are absolutely crushing it with AI-generated content. We'll uncover hidden gems you might not have even considered, from the surprising world of AI-powered fitness coaching to the lucrative realm of B2B tech. And to guide us through this exciting landscape, we have an expert who eats, sleeps, and breathes AI and YouTube. Welcome to the show. Before we dive in, I have to ask a question on everyone's mind. Can you really make money on YouTube with AI-generated content? Or is it all hype?
It's definitely not all hype. You absolutely can monetize AI-generated content, but there's a catch. YouTube has specific guidelines you need to follow. Transparency is key, so you have to declare whether your video uses altered or synthetic content. If you're using AI, you've got to be upfront about it.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So honesty is the best policy as always. What happens if you try to sneak AI content past the YouTube censors?
Well, YouTube takes this stuff seriously. They could demonetize your video or, in some cases, even take down your channel. It's just not worth the risk.
Okay, good to know. So assuming we're all playing by the rules and being transparent, what are some of these profitable niches that are really taking off in the world of AI on YouTube?
One area that's exploding right now is B2B tech and SaaS automation. Businesses are always hunting for ways to work smarter, not harder, and AI is a game changer when it comes to streamlining processes and saving time.
B2B, it does sound a bit corporate, I have to admit. What makes it appealing for YouTubers specifically?
Think about it. Tasks like managing customer relationships, generating leads, and optimizing sales can be a huge headache for businesses. AI tools are stepping in to automate and simplify these processes. That's where YouTubers come in. You can create content that helps businesses navigate these tools and understand their power.
Uh-huh. So it's all about being the go-to guide for businesses trying to leverage AI.
Exactly. And here's why it's so profitable. First, businesses are willing to invest in AI tools that deliver results, which means higher price points. Second, many of these SaaS companies offer lucrative affiliate programs. Imagine this. You create a tutorial on an AI-powered email marketing tool. If just 10% of your viewers sign up using your affiliate link, and the average monthly subscription is $100, you're looking at an extra $1,000 per month passively. Not bad, right?
Okay, now I'm seeing the appeal. That's some serious earning potential.
Yeah.
What are some examples of these AI tools that B2B companies are using?
The possibilities are vast. You've got CRM automation platforms like Salesforce, which can be a beast to master without guidance. There are also AI-powered email marketing tools that personalize campaigns, boosting engagement and conversions. And then there are the more sophisticated analytics platforms that help businesses make sense of their data, leading to better decision-making. It's a rich landscape for YouTubers to explore and create valuable content.
Okay, B2B tech, I'm getting it. What else is out there?
Let's switch gears to a niche that's a bit more mysterious. Have you ever heard of faceless channels?
Faceless channels. I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
This is where things get really interesting. You can create a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. You can use avatars or even AI-generated voices to present your content.
So you're basically letting the AI be the star of the show.
In a way, yes. AI can help you create scripts, generate voiceovers, and even produce visuals. It's like having a virtual production team at your fingertips.
That sounds like a dream for anyone who's camera shy like me.
Yeah.
But why is it such a profitable niche?
For a few reasons. First, it lowers the barrier to entry. You don't need fancy equipment or video editing skills to get started. Second, production costs are way lower. And finally, this type of content is gaining massive popularity. People are fascinated by AI and are surprisingly receptive to learning from these AI-powered channels.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. What kind of faceless channels are out there right now?
The variety is incredible. You'll find everything from finance channels that break down complex topics to how-to videos that teach you a new skill. There are even educational channels and entertainment channels that use AI-generated avatars and voices. It's a rapidly growing area with a ton of potential.
Okay, so we've got B2B tech and the intriguing world of faceless channels. What's next on our AI money-making adventure?
Let's talk about where AI is really making waves. The world of finance and investment.
Ooh, now we're talking big money. What's happening in that space?
AI is revolutionizing the financial world. We're seeing AI-powered trading bots analyze market trends and execute trades automatically, taking the emotion out of investing. There are AI-driven platforms that provide personalized investment advice, tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. And sophisticated algorithms are being used to assess risk and make predictions about market movements. It's a dynamic and potentially very lucrative area.
I can see why people are flocking to this niche.
Yeah.
But how does it translate to YouTube content? What kind of videos can you actually make?
Yeah. There's a huge opportunity for creators to educate audiences about AI and finance. You could create tutorials on how to use AI trading bots, demystifying the technology for everyday investors. You can explain how AI is changing the investment landscape, highlighting trends and opportunities. Or you could even dive into the ethical considerations of using AI in finance, sparking debate and thought-provoking discussions.
And since we're talking about finance, the CPMs must be pretty high. Advertisers must be lining up to reach that audience.
You got it. The finance niche attracts high-paying advertisers. So if you can create engaging and informative content, you have the potential to earn significant revenue.
So if you're passionate about finance and enjoy explaining complex topics in a way that's easy to understand, this could be a goldmine. What other AI niches are out there? What else should we be exploring?
Well, here's one that might surprise you. AI for health and fitness.
AI and fitness. Now, that's an interesting combination. I'm not sure I see the connection.
It's a powerful combination, actually. AI is changing the way we approach health and fitness, and it's opening up incredible opportunities for content creators on YouTube. Think about it.
Yeah.
People are always looking for ways to improve their well-being, and AI is providing personalized, data-driven solutions that are more effective than ever.
Okay, you've piqued my interest. Give me some examples of how AI is being used in health and fitness.
We're seeing incredibly sophisticated AI-powered fitness trackers that go way beyond counting steps. They monitor your activity levels, sleep patterns, heart rate variability, and even stress levels. And it's not just about tracking. These devices use AI to provide personalized insights and recommendations to help you reach your goal.
Oh, it's like having a virtual personal trainer on your wrist.
Exactly. And it's not just wearables. There are AI-driven workout apps that adapt to your fitness level and goals. Instead of following a generic workout plan, you get a customized program that's tailored to your body and your progress.
So it's all about personalization and taking the guesswork out of fitness.
Precisely. And then there are AI-powered nutritional planners that create meal plans based on your dietary needs preferences and even your goals. No more fad diets or generic meal plans. You get a roadmap to healthy eating that's designed specifically for you.
This is blowing my mind. It sounds like AI is taking all the complexity out of healthy living. But how does this translate into a profitable niche for YouTubers?
Health and fitness are evergreen niches. People are always looking for ways to feel better, look better, and live longer. And AI is providing the tools and insights to make that happen more effectively than ever before. This means there's a huge and growing demand for content that explains these AI-powered solutions and helps people get the most out of them.
So YouTubers can capitalize on that demand by creating content about these AI-powered tools and services.
Exactly. You could review fitness trackers, comparing different brands and features to help viewers choose the best one for their needs. You could create tutorials on how to use AI workout apps effectively, showing people how to get the most out of their personalized training programs. You could even create content that focuses on specific areas of health and fitness, like using AI to improve sleep quality or manage stress. The possibilities are endless.
All right, starting to see the potential here. B2B, faceless channels, finance, and now AI-powered health and fitness. What other AI moneymakers are out there? There's got to be more.
You're right, there's a whole lot more. Let's dive into a niche that's perfect for anyone who loves learning about new software. AI-driven tutorials and software reviews.
Now, this sounds right up my alley.
Yeah.
I'm always on the lookout for new software, especially when it involves AI.
This niche is all about being the guide in a world that's rapidly becoming dominated by AI-powered tools. There are so many amazing AI applications out there that can simplify tasks, boost productivity, and even enhance creativity. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start or how to use these tools effectively.
So YouTubers can step in and be the helpful experts, guiding people through this new landscape.
Exactly. You can create in-depth tutorials on how to use specific AI tools, breaking down complex features into easy-to-understand steps. You can compare different AI software options, highlighting the pros and cons of each to help viewers make informed decisions. And you can even share your own personal experiences and insights, providing valuable tips and tricks that you've discovered along the way.
I imagine there's good money to be made with this type of content. People are hungry for information, and they're willing to pay for it.
You're absolutely right. There are two main revenue streams here. First, you can earn high affiliate commissions by promoting AI software. especially those with recurring subscription models. And second, tutorial videos tend to have high engagement, which means you'll generate significant ad revenue from YouTube itself. It's a win-win. You get to help people discover amazing AI tools, and you get rewarded for your efforts.
Okay, I'm loving this. It's all about empowering people to use these tools to their advantage, while also creating valuable content that generates income. What are some examples of software that would fall into this niche?
Oh, there are so many. You could create tutorials on AI writing assistants like Grammarly or Jasper, showing people how to write better and faster. You could dive into the world of AI image editing software, teaching people how to create stunning visuals without being a Photoshop expert. You could even explore AI-powered content creation platforms that help generate ideas, write scripts, and even produce videos.
It sounds like the possibilities are truly endless. And as AI continues to evolve, new software and tools are popping up all the time. So there's never a shortage of content to create.
Exactly. And that's what makes this niche so exciting. It's constantly evolving, which keeps things interesting for both creators and viewers.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground already. B2B tech, faceless channels, the world of finance, AI-powered health and fitness, and now the exciting world of AI software tutorials and reviews. But I have a feeling there's more, isn't there? What other AI niches should we be paying attention to?
You're right, there's a whole lot more. Let's shift gears and explore a niche that's a bit more behind the scenes, but equally impactful: AI for recruitment and HR automation.
Recruitment? You mean AI is even helping us find jobs now? I feel like AI is taking over the world.
It's not quite taking over the world, but
Yeah.
it's definitely transforming the way we work, including how we find jobs and hire talent. AI is making the recruitment process much more efficient and data-driven, which benefits both companies and job seekers.
So instead of a human HR person sorting through mountains of resumes, we've got AI algorithms doing the heavy lifting.
That's right. AI-powered platforms can analyze thousands of resumes in seconds, identifying the most qualified candidates based on skills, experience, and even cultural fit. This saves companies a ton of time and money, and it also helps ensure they're finding the best talent for the job.
That's pretty impressive. But how does this translate to YouTube content? What kind of videos can YouTubers create in this niche?
There are a couple of angles you could take. First, you could create content for job seekers, helping them understand how AI is being used in recruitment. You could teach them how to optimize their resumes and online profiles to get noticed by these AI systems. It's like giving them an inside track in the job search process.
So kind of like AI coaching for job seekers. I love that idea. It's all about empowering people to use technology to their advantage.
Exactly. And on the flip side, you could create content for businesses, showing them how to leverage AI-driven recruitment tools and strategies to improve their hiring process. You could help them streamline their workflows, reduce bias in their hiring decisions, and ultimately build stronger teams.
Okay, so there's a lot of potential here for YouTubers to provide valuable insights and education on both sides of the recruitment equation. And I'm guessing this is a profitable niche, given that companies are always looking for ways to improve their hiring and find top talent.
Absolutely. Companies are willing to invest in solutions that make hiring more efficient and effective. And YouTube is the perfect platform to reach those businesses and showcase the power of AI in recruitment.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground here. We've explored B2B tech, the intriguing world of faceless channels, the high-stakes game of AI in finance, the rise of AI-powered health and fitness, and now the fascinating world of AI in recruitment. But before we wrap things up, there's one more AI niche I want to dive into. It's something that's close to my heart: AI for personal productivity.
I was hoping you'd bring that up. It's a niche that's exploding right now, and for good reason. AI is making it easier than ever to manage our time, organize our tasks, and stay focused on what matters most. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there to help you be your best self.
I'm all about maximizing productivity, so I'm excited to hear more. What are some of the ways AI is being used to help people be more productive?
There are so many amazing AI-powered productivity tools out there. There are to-do list apps that go way beyond simple checklists. They use AI to prioritize your tasks based on deadlines' importance and even your personal work patterns. They can remind you of upcoming deadlines and even suggest optimal times to tackle specific tasks based on your energy levels and focus.
Wow, that's incredible. It's like having a personal time management coach right in your pocket.
Exactly. And then there are smart calendars that go beyond simply scheduling meetings and appointments. They can analyze your schedule and suggest times for focused work breaks, and even personal time, ensuring you have a balanced and productive day.
It sounds like AI is taking all the guesswork out of managing our time and energy.
That's the power of AI. And we haven't even touched on AI-powered note-taking tools. that can transcribe your thoughts and ideas, organize your notes automatically, and even help you surface the most relevant information when you need it. It's like having an external brain that's always there to support you.
Okay, I'm officially blown away.
hmm
But how does this translate into a profitable niche for YouTubers?
Personal development and productivity are huge on YouTube. People are constantly searching for tips, tricks, and tools to help them be more effective, achieve their goals, and live happier, more fulfilling lives. And with AI bringing so much innovation to the productivity space, the demand for content that explains and showcases these tools is skyrocketing.
So YouTubers can create content that reviews and compares different AI productivity tools,
Yeah.
showing people how to choose the right ones for their needs.
Absolutely. You could create tutorials on how to use these tools effectively, revealing hidden features and productivity hacks that most people don't even know about. You could even create content that focuses on specific areas of productivity, like time management focus and concentration or goal setting.
You could even have a whole series on AI-powered time management techniques
hmm
or AI-driven strategies for overcoming procrastination. The possibilities are endless.
You got it. The key is to find a niche within the broader personal productivity space and then create content that provides real value to your audience. And with AI constantly evolving, there's always something new to explore and share.
Okay, so we've got this incredibly popular niche, AI-powered productivity tools that people are eager to learn about,
hmm
and YouTubers who could step in as the experts, guiding people through this new landscape. And I'm guessing this is another niche with high CPMs, right?
You bet. Advertisers love the personal development and productivity audience. They're engaged, they're looking for solutions, and they're often willing to spend money on products and services that help them improve their lives.
So it's a win-win for everyone involved.
Yep.
YouTubers get to create content they're passionate about, help people achieve their goals, and earn a good income in the process.
Exactly. And that's what's so exciting about the world of AI and YouTube. It's a place where creativity, innovation, and earning potential all come together.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored 7 incredibly promising AI niches for YouTube creators.
That's all.
And I'm honestly feeling inspired.
I'm glad to hear that. But before we go, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought-provoking question. We've talked about all these exciting opportunities, but I want you to think about this. What if the most profitable AI niche on YouTube hasn't even been discovered yet?
Ooh, now that's a thought-provoking question. What do you mean?
Well, AI is evolving so rapidly. New capabilities are emerging every day. What seems impossible today could be commonplace tomorrow. The real opportunity lies in looking beyond the obvious and experimenting with AI in unexpected ways,
Yeah,
and in discovering those hidden gems that no one else has tapped into yet.
I love that. So it's not just about following the trends, it's about being the trendsetter. It's about pushing the boundaries and seeing what's possible when you combine your creativity with the power of AI.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to experiment, to think outside the box, to be the one who discovers the next big AI YouTube sensation.
That's such an inspiring message. So for all of you listening out there, we have a challenge for you. What's one surprising or unexpected way AI could be used to create engaging content in your favorite niche?
Think about it. What are the problems AI could solve? What are the creative possibilities no one has explored yet?
Share your ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and maybe your idea will spark the next AI YouTube revolution. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. We release new episodes of AI Moneymakers every week, packed with insights and strategies to help you succeed on YouTube using the power of AI. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, keep those creative AI juices flowing.